Coming up. That was a little terrifying, sitting here in your little kayak and having 4 birds come down. Look like they're going to hit you. They didn't. It looked like it. I had to put the phone down for a second so I could get out the way.
Oh my gosh, that's a bigger one. I'm going over here.
Where's the bigger one? Where?
That one. The one over there. Come on.
Sophie, he's already filled up. He doesn't dip down here. The wife's nervous because there's this guy way back there. I don't know if you can see him over the hill. But you can see we're chilling in the kayaks. She wants me to come back over there. We're going to watch these guys go do their dump. Stand by.